Hey Money Maestros, welcome back to Passive Income Journey 777, the only place on the internet where we take our finances as seriously as our dad jokes. Today, buckle up, because we're not just talking about passive income, we're turning it into a stand-up comedy special. Get ready to laugh and learn how to make your money work for you, while keeping it as entertaining as a cat video. Picture this, a world where your money tells the jokes and you're the one laughing all the way to the bank. That's the essence of passive income, and trust me, it's funnier than a meme about adulting. Passive income isn't just about serious stuff, it's about having a laugh too. We're exploring different streams of passive income: dividends, real estate, affiliate marketing, and more. Spoiler alert, one of them might involve telling dad jokes for cash. Grab your popcorn because we're sharing success stories that are better than a comedy blockbuster. Learn how regular folks turned their financial frowns upside down using passive income. Spoiler, it involves less crying and more cha-ching. Investing doesn't have to be as serious as the boardroom meeting. We're breaking down the basics of investing, making it so easy even your pet rock could understand. Stay tuned for our Investing for Dummies comedy hour. The internet isn't just for cat videos and memes, it's also your ticket to passive income hilarity. From creating digital products to affiliate marketing, we're exploring how to turn your online presence into a comedy goldmine. For our beginners out there, don't worry. We've got strategies that are as beginner-friendly as a first-grade knock-knock joke. Learn the ropes and start your passive income journey with a smile. Success isn't without its bloopers. Join us for a blooper reel of financial fails and learn how to blooper-proof your journey to financial freedom. Spoiler, laughter is the best medicine even for financial mishaps. We've gathered questions from our audience, and now it's time to turn the Q&A session into a comedy roast. Join us in an interactive session where we roast your burning queries about passive income. Warning, dad jokes may be involved. Ready to be part of the Passive Income Comedy Club? Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with anyone who needs a good laugh and a fat wallet. Let's build a community of financial stand-up enthusiasts. Thanks for joining our hilarious journey to financial freedom. Remember, life's too short not to laugh, and your wallet is too empty not to explore passive income. Stay tuned for more laughs and wealth-building wisdom. Until next time, keep smiling and keep stacking those bills. Thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate your continued support and look forward to serving you with more exciting videos in the future. We hope it has been helpful in understanding the world of passive income. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and comment below and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video from Passive Income Journey 777.